How to recover deleted emails inside of Gmail. If you have accidentally deleted an important email, there is a way that you can recover it. So the first thing here I'll show you is, for example, if you mistakenly deleted an email, it's gonna go straight to the trash section. If you click on the more option on the left hand side, you'll see a section called bin. Now this is the section where you're gonna get all of your emails that you've deleted from your inbox. In order to recover these emails, just select on the email, click on the move option right here, and you can move it to any folder if you want. And if you head back, you can see the email now has been recovered. Now this only works if the email has been deleted in the last 30 days. If the 30 days has exceeded, all of these sections or all of the emails that are inside of the trash or the bin section will be automatically deleted. Now, in the case that it has exceeded 30 days, the thing that you can do is head over to the Gmail recovery tool. It is not a guaranteed way of recovering your emails, but it does work sometimes. So you can search for Gmail recovery tool, click on this first link. And it's going to say right here, you're currently logged in and you will recover the lost emails for your email address. We'll try to recover the emails that were deleted within the last 30 days. You can just click on continue. Now, because I don't have any emails deleted in the last 30 days, it does not show me any information. But if it does for you, it will give you all of the emails that were deleted. Now, as I said, it does not work 100%. It may or may not work for you as well. Now, this is the last thing that you can try out if it has been deleted from the trash section as well. So that's basically it on the way that you recover deleted emails in Gmail. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.